In this video, I will show you how to join the Scare Baboon Discord server. You can do this on your phone, PC or any device that has the Discord app installed. Once Discord is open, click or tap on the plus icon on the left sidebar to add a server. Click on a Join Server. In the invite link field, type discord.gg/scarebaboon. Once entered, click Join Server. Once inside the Scare Baboon server, you will see role selection options. Choose the rules you want according to your preference. After selecting, click Finish to save your preferences. And that's it. You are now a member of the Scare Baboon Discord server. If this video helped, like, share and subscribe.